for not doing the intro, but I don't want to do the intro. Well, I'm not playing a brain rot game because I don't like brain rots, and this is not a brain rot game. It's just objects like you to add. But it's my friend. His funny, and it's actually so good. But there's something, and there's something wrong. There's something wrong. I'm low battery, and I don't have any phones. I only have one freaking phone. Godly fund. Where is it? Where is it? I think it's here. Okay. Mythical. Wait, I see mythical. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
That's nice.
But the world has returned to normal. This is not a brain rot. It's that the brain rot is completely yeah. All I could be doing with this video. 2 million offline, and why are you still laughing? 2.7. Yo, I made 2.7. You made 2.7 on offline, while I made 2 million offline. Okay. Okay, I got snapped. But it's because my There's something I already know because I already heard it. I know, but I want to be rich, so I want to get 100,000 so I can reach level 3. Let's sell all of my. Let's sell all of them. I'll put. Hey, that took so long. You're joking. Told you, bro. You're always joking. Bruce. Hey. Okay. I'll keep this still. Sell items, yes. I don't need that ads, but it's not kind of an ad, but we have. Can I sell all of them? Sells. Okay, I'm 12k. While bro is at 100,000. He's not my brother, but I don't know what my relation with him, but not in a weird way. But why is there a ladder when there's no spawning person? Don't get what I'm saying. Okay, it's fine. Now, where are you? Are you still at the level 2 or are you in the level 3? You're still at level 2, but you already have enough money for level 3. It costs 75k. Look. See, I told you. You can buy it. The store? 1.9. 4.6 is bro. Hey, yo. Okay, but oh my god, this is literally not a brain rot game. But if you want me to play some brain rot games, no, you're not. I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna play brain rot games. Please. My phone is really hot. Sexting is crazy. The quadrillion is my money on my other account. And we're watching the garden. My first channel, you can see it. But I don't know why this, but I don't know how many years I am. I'm a millionaire on the garden. My phone is at low battery, and my mom took the phone, which is my alternative phone, in case of low battery. Jeez. I'm playing around too much. Let's go. Wait, I still have not enough money to go to level 3 for Flash Jump. Somebody actually paid to win. Bro, we should literally leave. Bro, we should leave right now, bro. Can we leave? Bro, I have something to tell you. When we leave the game, we're the only players. Yes. Just look at the player base. Yeah. My phone's low battery, but I don't care. I don't care. But what my water park? Did you play that?
These Ohio Tours.
Ohio Tours? What? Okay. Now they're exposing Ohio, USA. Jeez. Bro, turn that off. Turn that off. Bro. I can't able to play on him starting in June because you know the Roblox update, then you know it. This looks like a PS5. So then, this is the lab, and I have a phone, but I can't use it. Samsung. Now I wait. What? No help. Can you help me? Bro, I don't know why do I have a Samsung phone. Wait, I could just start. Wait, I'm trying to use the phone, so it should be more open. Oh, I'm trying to use the car. I'm going. Nobody touches this star. I'm going to use it after I. Oh look, I'm coming to you. I'm using the car. I'm using the car. I'm using the car. Yeah, look. I don't know how to control this car. Look at the wheels. Bro, help. I'm literally at the church. Meet me at the church. Can you meet? Okay. This is too old. This is guys. Where are you? Mine is. You're going to see the most craziest thing ever. I'm going to be invisible. Never mind. A Lego brick? Okay, that should do it. Mom slipper. Okay, there are some in his corners, but I don't give any. I don't, but I'm going to use his slipper, his mom's slipper, which is, wait, come meet me at the church. We're going to the church. Okay, I see you and you. Wait, hand, I'm lagging. Look, I'm lagging. Okay, vine pool. What are you doing? Oh, I need gum too. Gum? Gun. Yeah. I already done. Can you meet me at the park? Yeah. Where are you? Yeah. Yeah, I can. Go! I died again. Okay, there's another. I teleported in the. There. I don't think I can post this, but yeah, nice.